So pretty much from 59 and back.
Following the revolution, Castro's government seized private businesses for the state. Well-to-do Cubans fled to the U.S., their homes taken over by the state, then given to the masses.
That maid that worked there their entire life, that after revolution, when their owners left the house, she took over.
The government gave her the house.
The government gave her that house. If their original owners came back, what is going to happen with her and her family?
Today, many, if not most, of those expensive houses look like this, falling down or barely standing because the poor have no way of keeping them up.
This is a kind of an old town, so you see a lot of old buildings that are falling apart, but even people still living inside. It's really hard to afford to restore these buildings.
And several generations.
Not 7 generations. You can find 3 different generations living together.
Despite all the evidence to the contrary, you won't find many proud Cubans who consider their country third world. Education is free here, including college. Same for health care. It's free. But it's not enough, especially for the young Cubans. They want to run their own businesses, earn money that equals what others in a free society are making.
We want changes in the economic side. We want to increase the private sector because there is more motivation to develop our society, to work harder. And it is a fact that the socialism in the economic side, it doesn't work.
Cuban government has allowed some private enterprise in the hospitality industry. The best restaurants we visited are owned by private citizens who are often able to pay their waiters more than average medical doctors can earn working for the state. But the changes, they're not coming fast enough for the young. Most of the people in Cuba, including Havana, don't have access to the internet. The government likes that way. Much like North Korea and China, the internet causes problems. People get too much information. They start having higher expectations. They make demands on the government. That's a problem. There are ways of getting the internet, and the young people can also show you how to get taped American broadcast programs. They call it the package. It's underground. It's illegal, and that's all they'll say about it. The collapse of the Soviet Union, which had been Cuba's big trade partner, the U.S. embargo, and the stifling of free enterprise continue to haunt this Caribbean country. But President Obama's opening the doors to American tourism had brought some optimism. Now the Cubans wait to see what will happen with President Trump reversing some of Obama's changes. Bruce Johnson, WUSA 9.
Looks like a fantastic trip.
It does. It does.
And you can see where Cuba has sort of frozen in time in some ways and is
my
starting to move forward in others.
There, and it is frozen in time.
Yeah.
They had a great time, though. They did. All right.
So Irma, you're tracking Irma.
We're going to talk about Irma. A lot of crazy stuff going on with the social media about Irma, but let's just tell you what the deal is. We showed you her earlier where she is. She's way out to sea. But now I want to show you the computer models. Now, each line represents a computer forecast. And the closer the lines are together, well, the more confluence, the more agreement there are between the lines. Of course, as you get closer where the storm is now, they're pretty much in agreement. Then they start to fan out as you get farther out in time. So a lot of the models still take it, make it an East Coast storm. A few are trying to dip it into Southeast Florida. The good news is, at least right now, we don't see anything taking it into the Gulf of Mexico again. So we'll watch this. We're still 8 to 10, maybe even 11 days away from landfall. Okay, 3-degree guarantee. We kept it going today. You might have thought I was crazy going 74 for a high. Not so much. It was 73 at midnight, one off. So tomorrow we're going to go 67 for a high. That's pretty cold for early September. We still average about 84 for a high. Right now we're 64. Dew point's 50, winds easterly at 5. Winds will pick up a little bit tomorrow, east maybe 10 to 15. Here's the radar over the last hour. A little bit of shower activity rolling through. It hasn't been a washout. We talked about the showers being on and off again. That's what they're going to be through tomorrow. Heaviest activity we can find, Fairfax County, actually now pushing inside the Beltway and back into Prince William County, just north of Manassas. So yellow weather alert through tomorrow night. Heaviest rain, 2 batches, one 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. I think we'll see another one overnight tomorrow. And we're going to